How to add a clickable link in Canva PDF. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a clickable link in Canva PDF. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and open up your any design in Canva. So once you're inside here, just tap on this any text which you want to convert to link. So simply select it and just right click on it, and you should see this link option. Just select it, and from over here basically you just have to provide any link. So I'll just in this case provide a youtube.com link. So make sure you copy it accordingly, and once you do that, click on done, and just like that your link will be implemented on that particular text which you chose to. So now all you have to do is click on share and simply download it as in PDF, not PNG. So simply select the PDF from over here and simply select the download. And once you download it, simply open that particular file, and from over here all you have to do is just click on this link from over here by simply clicking Ctrl and mouse key from over here, and it will automatically open the particular link of which you have attached to it. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.